yeah. Right now, things hard. We need your help so bad. Listen, Father God, please govern the heads from morning survival attack to the legs. But we prefer pre-the-meds than deal with the feds. Who are go ham chicken come for the meds. Breeze blow hard and gone with the cakes. Not no left, not even the dregs. Adjust your name cover, we not even the shades. Not even the shades. Almighty God, beg you please intervene. And this year Tony broke your clean and put on in machine. Lord, remember ya. Right now things hard. We need your help. We need the rebound. Yo, enough of we get a free tummy tuck. From last week, yo, we no see the food chuck. Anxiety levels, yo, that gone up. Buckle the amount and get stuck. No liquor run, gun up stomach. Next time we see chicken, yo, that might get luck. Cause survival no have nothing to do with luck. But God, we are just for your work. Almighty God, beg you please intervene. This year Tony broke your clean.